Hey ladies, let's settle this once and for all. Welcome to Nurse's Lecture Room. I'm Nurse Mercy Mary, and today we're busting one of the biggest myths in women's health. Does sex really loosen the vagina? Grab your tea and let's talk. Nurse to sister. Quick reminder, this video is educational. Always speak to a healthcare provider for any personal concerns. For years, women have been told that frequent sex will loosen the vagina. This is inaccurate and rooted in shame, not science. The vagina is a muscular, elastic organ. It expands during sex, but returns to its normal shape afterward, like a rubber band. So, what does affect vaginal tightness? Childbirth, aging, and lower estrogen levels, weakened pelvic floor muscles, and genetics. These are all normal, and none are caused by sex. Instead of fearing myths, focus on what empowers you. Practice Kegels every day, try yoga for the pelvic floor, talk to a pelvic health specialist, and stay active and hydrated. Your body is strong and you have tools to support it. Here's the truth bomb. Sex doesn't loosen your vagina. Your body adapts, heals, and protects you every single time. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to Nurse's Lecture Room, and share this with a friend. Got a myth you want busted? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it.